Hi, Linda Sessions here, and welcome to week 10 in computer applications. I hope everything is going okay in your life. You're enjoying a little bit of the fall style weather that we have going on right now. I know I'm having a little bit of problems with allergies with the change in seasons and the change in the weather. Hopefully you're not running into that where you are. This week we are in the Excel Capstone for both the 16-week and the 14-week class. So let's take a look at Blackboard and see what's going on. So in the 16-week class, you are in Module 10. And if you are in the 14-week class, it is Module 8. But you're both in the Excel Capstone. So let's take a look at the module. You can see you still need to do 10 minutes of time typing and turn it in. Make sure that you record the date in your screenshot. Make sure I can see that date in your screenshot if you want to get credit for that time typing. Here is the link to the Capstone project. One thing that's a little different this week is right here underneath it is the link to the Capstone video. So if you need help completing the video as you're working this week, there is that link right there. Also this week there is a charting the weather assignment. For the charting the weather assignment, you'll find the YouTube video up here in this link at the top of the page. The charting the weather assignment is one that's going to be similar to your final project in Excel. So make sure that you pay attention to charting the weather and what you're doing and to get ready for that final project here in a couple of weeks. So that is the assignment this week. The Capstone project might take you 2 hours to do for some of you. So make sure you leave yourself time to do it. Go ahead and do it early in the week so you can enjoy your weekend. One thing that's going to be a little different this week is that I will actually be out of the office and have limited access to my email from Thursday to Sunday, so from October 27th to October 30th. I will be checking my email in the evenings, but you might not get a response as quickly as Ben. So just make a note of that. Just have this little blurb in the class for you so you know that I will be away from email full-time from October 27th to October 30th. So just give me a little bit more time to answer your emails during that time. So this week, Excel Capstone. Use the skills that you learned in Excel 1, 2, and 3. You also have the charting the weather assignment and your time typing. Reach out if you have questions. I will be available for a Zoom meeting for sure on Tuesday evening if you need anything, or just reach out, fit my schedule around yours if we need to get together. So have a great week and have fun with your Excel Capstone.